Hi, for today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to remove white background from a picture. I'm gonna use this picture right here. First off, make it a layer. So double click on it, press OK. Go to select and select all, or you can use Ctrl A on the keyboard. Once you're done, you go to edit, copy or Ctrl C. Then go to the channel tab right here, click on it and add a new layer right here. You become alpha 1. Once you're done, go to edit and paste the image right here or Ctrl V. After all, go to image adjustment and go to invert, or you can use Ctrl I. Once it's like that, just select the tool right here, the selection tool. Just click on it, go back to layer tab, add a new layer and make sure you select the paint bucket tool with a black color. As you can see, black color, and then just paint it right here. Once you're done, you can select the move tool again, go to select and deselect, or you can use Ctrl D and then hide the first layer, the original one. As you can see, the white background gone. Okay, so other people can use like the magic wand tool, but sometimes it's not accurate. Okay, or the new version of Photoshop, there's this one, object selection tool. As you can see also, it's not very accurate for this type of picture. The alpha mouse is the best, as you can see right here. Now another type of scenario that you can have is this image. For example, if I go into channel tab, it's gray. Why? Because mode is not RGB, it's grayscale. So make sure it's RGB color. You can go to image, mode, and make sure it's RGB. If it's not RGB, you won't be able to do the alpha one. And the rest is the same. Just follow the steps. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.